Cornett Roofing Systems, located in Franklin, Indiana since 2010, is well known in the local community for high-quality metal roofing, particularly on residential homes. But did you know that Cornett Roofing also provides commercial roofing repair, restoration, and replacement on projects both big and small? Whether you have a small leak, urgent storm damage, or a failing roof in need of a complete replacement for your business, Cornett Roofing is your trusted local Franklin, Indiana contractor. Longtime members of the Franklin Chamber of Commerce, Cornett Roofing has completed local projects on residences, commercial properties, and municipal buildings, involving many different types of roofing systems. Here are just a few of the commercial and municipal projects and customers we have worked with in Franklin, performing both minor repairs, restorations, and major roof replacements.